I'm Mark Martin. I drive the Viagra Taurus. I think the most difficult part of driving a NASCAR car is the heat and the noise and the stress of having 42 other cars on the racetrack with you, usually inches away, and not only having to keep control of your own car, but watch everybody else at the same time. I'm pretty excited about Dodge coming back into Winston Cup racing and NASCAR, but I wouldn't be in favor at all of foreign car manufacturers being a part of the NASCAR. The new aero package has made it very exciting for the fans, but it's pretty tough on the drivers. Most of the guys I see around the garage are all white-headed now. Well, Goodyear coming with a harder tire at most of the tracks this year will be, we're hoping, a good thing for putting the control back in the hands of the drivers rather than with such a sticky tire like we've had the last year or so. It really put a lot of emphasis on the equipment in the cars, and the harder the tire, the more the driver comes into play. My goals for the season are the same as always: win every race we enter, and obviously we'll fall short of that to some degree, but if we give 100% effort for every race, every time out, that's really all we can ask for.